students. In my previous video, you might have gone through the questions which I have discussed, and today I am continuing the same topic but different question I will discuss. Today only two questions I will discuss, and I hope you will go through all the questions whatever the question was given, and today also I will give you one of the PDF file and you will find out the solution. You please give time and practice more. Okay, now let us see what is the question. 2 into 7 to the power n plus 3 into 5 to the power n minus 5 is divisible by 24. Here directly you will not get the number which is coming here divisible by 24. We have a little different approach, but the process is same. Let Pn is equal to 2 into 7 to the power n plus 3 into 5 to the power n minus 5. Now, step 1. Let n is equal to 1. So, what will happen? P1 is equal to 2 into 7, 1 plus 3 into 5 to the power 1 minus 5, and 14 plus 15 minus 5. How much it is? 14 plus 10 is equal to 24, which is divisible by 24. So therefore we can say Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Now, what is the second step? I have told you earlier also. In the second step, directly we will take that it is divisible by m. So, step 2. We have to write, consider that Pn is true for n is equal to m. Therefore, Pm is equal to 2 into 7 to the power m plus 3 into 5 to the power m minus 5. And let 2 into 7 to the power m plus 3 into 5 to the power m minus 5 is equal to 24 lambda. Whatever the divisibility is there, that particular value is taken by some variable. So this is 24 lambda. I'll take it here. 2 into 7 to the power m is equal to 24 lambda minus 3 into 5 to the power m plus 5, say equation number 1. So now this is your equation 1, which is going to be proved to be substituted in the third case. And what is your third step? Step 3. Now we shall have to prove that Pn is true for n is equal to m plus 1. So therefore Pm plus 1 is equal to 2 into 7 to the power m plus 1 plus 3 into 5 to the power m plus 1 minus 5. Now this is to be adjusted in such a way that we could be able to get the value of 2 into 7 to the power 5, 7 to the power m. Now one more thing you remember, I have found here this value. You are free to find out the value of this also. So let us say now Pm plus 1 is equal to 2 into 7 to the power m into 7 plus 3 into 5 to the power m into 5 minus 5. Do you agree? Bases are same, powers are added, bases are same, powers are added, rule of exponent. And then this value can be substituted from equation 1. What can you write? 24 lambda minus 3 into 5 to the power m plus 5 into 7 plus 3 into 5 to the power m, and rather 5 into 3, 15 you can write. 15 into 5 to the power m minus 5. Now open the bracket. 24 into 7 lambda minus 21 into 5 to the power m plus 35 plus 15 into 5 to the power m minus 5. This 35 and 5 will become 30. So 24 into 7 lambda, and then it will be plus 30 minus 21 into 5 to the power m into 15 into 5 to the power n. Now then 24 into 7 lambda plus 30 minus, here 5 to the power n you take common, what is left? 21 minus 15. And now 24 plus 7 lambda plus 30 minus 5 to the power m into 6. The problem arises here. This is the exact multiple of 24. But what's about this? Look at here. I will take here 24 into 7 lambda plus 6 common, 5 minus 5 to the power m. Do you follow here? This is 5 to the power n minus common, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 15 is equal to 6, and then from here 6 common, 5 minus 5 to the power m. Now, what is to be assumed in place of 5 minus 5 to the power m so that the whole term will be a multiple of 24? 6 is already there. What you are going to multiply to 6 to make it 24? That is 4. So not only you have to take 4, but you take it as 4 mu or any other variable. So I will take here 24 into 7 lambda plus 6 into 4k, and here you will mention where 4k is equal to 5 minus 5 to the power m. Remember, k as well as m all are integers. So therefore, now you can say here 6 into 4, 24. 24 is common, and 7 lambda plus k, which is divisible by 24 for all integer or natural number, for all natural number lambda and k. So therefore Pn is true for n is equal to n plus 1, and therefore we can say therefore 2 into 7 to the power n plus 3 into 5 to the power n minus 5. Whatever the last question is there, that question you will write 2 into 7 to the power n, 3 into 5 to the power n, minus 5 is divisible by 24, and that was to be understood. Now let us discuss the another question. Here let Pn is equal to 1 by 1 into 2 into 3, 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 3 divided by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Again, this is a question on series, and you know the last term which is given to the LHS is considered as a general term. So what are the cases here? In the first step we have to take LHS as well as RHS. So step 1, let n is equal to 1. So what is your LHS? Your LHS is 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, and that is equal to 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. RHS you take, RHS is equal to n into n plus 3 divided by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Will it be 1 into 4 divided by 4 into 2 into 3? This 4 cancel. What is left? 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. So since you will say LHS is equal to RHS, hence Pn is true for n is equal to 1. And for the second step, step 2, we must say that Pn is true for n is equal to m. So let us write here 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus dot 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 plus 1 by n into m plus 1 into m plus 2 is equal to m into m plus 3 divided by 4 into m plus 1 into m plus 2. Let us say this is equation number 1. And what is the third step? In step 3, now we shall have to prove Pn is true for n is equal to m plus 1, and hence we can say Pm plus 1. What is the criteria to write m plus 1 term? M plus 1 is the last term, but one term is what? This one. So first of all you write this, and then the m plus 1th term you write. So 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus dot 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 plus 1 by m into m plus 1 into m plus 2, and then plus 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 1 plus 1 into m plus 1 plus 2 is equal to m plus 1 into m plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 into m plus 1 plus 1 m plus 1 plus 2. And simplify a little bit more. P m plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus dot 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 plus 1 by m into m plus 1 into m plus 2 plus 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2 into m plus 3 is equal to m plus 1 into m plus 4 divided by 4 into m plus 2 into m plus 3. So finally we have prepared the LHS and RHS, but you know very well, from here to here, from equation 1, what can you write? This particular terms you can write here, and then we can have first of all I will write here P m plus 1 is equal to, now from for here what can you say? What is here? M into m plus 3, yeah, m into m plus 3 divided by 4 into m plus 1 into m plus 2. The same thing, m into m plus 3 and 4 into m plus 1, m plus 2. This is plus, now this one you write 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2 into m plus 3, and this is equal to m plus 1 into m plus 4 divided by 4 into m plus 2 into m plus 3. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to m into m plus 3 divided by 4 into m plus 1 into m plus 2 plus 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2 into m plus 3. Now you solve in such a way that you could be able to get RHS, and we can easily get it. Little bit care you need. Now, what is the most common term? 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2. What is left? M into m plus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by m plus 3, and then here 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2, m into m plus 3 whole square plus 4 divided by 4 into m plus 3. Remember here, this is going to be prepared the numerator as a cubic polynomial, and whatever the cubic polynomial is there, it is easily factorizable. So you have to factorize m plus 1 into m plus 2, m into m square plus 6m plus 9 plus 4 divided by 4 into m plus 3, 1 by m plus 1 into m plus 2, m cube, 6m square, 9m plus 4, 4 into m plus 3. Remember, you might have studied in class 9 the factor theorem. With the help of factor theorem, that is going to be factorized. How? You look at the 4, what are the possible factors of 4? Plus minus 2, plus minus 4. One by one you keep. One when you put plus 1, it will never come 0. Minus 1 you put. Minus 1 plus 6 minus 9 plus 4. So 6 plus 4 minus 9 minus 10, that is equal to 0. So when x is equal to minus 1, the polynomial is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is the factor of polynomial. And to know the other factor, what will you do? X plus 1 from x plus 1, this is going to be divided. 6m square, 9m plus 4. M square, m cube plus m square, negative negative cancel, 5m square plus 9m plus 4 plus 5m, this is m plus 1, right? In fact, now 5m square plus 5m, negative negative cancel, and this is equal to how much? 4m plus 4, here will be 4, 4m plus 4, minus minus cancel. So what do you notice? This can be written as m cube plus 6m square plus 9m plus 4 can be written as m plus 1 into m square plus 5m plus 4. Now, aren't you able to factorize? M square plus 4m plus m plus 4, and so m plus 1 into m common m plus 4 and 1 common m plus 4. So what are the factors? You can directly write here now m plus 1 into m plus 2, and here you can write m plus 1 into m plus 4 into m plus 1. And then what will happen? Denominator is 4 into m plus 3. One of the m plus 1 cancel. What is left? M plus 1 into m plus 4 divided by m 4 into m plus 2 m plus 3. What was your RHS? M plus 1 into m plus 4 divided by m plus 2 into m plus 3. So which is equal to RHS? Hence we can say Pn is true for n is equal to m plus 1. And that was to be true. So therefore, these are the type of the equation I have discussed, and thus we have completed this topic. Still, I just make a point here that if you find any difficulties, my WhatsApp number is same, my call number is also same. You are free to call me or contact me for any sorts of clarity. Don't hesitate. And for those who have joined late, we have already completed the complex number. I will again send you the videos and file, PDF file of the complex number also. So I will give you 2 or 3 days for the complex number also for those who have joined late, and then after that I will start the new topic. Thank you very much.